Oil refineries are among the most complex and dangerous industrial sites, requiring stringent safety protocols to prevent fires, explosions, toxic releases, and environmental damage. Below is a comprehensive guide to refinery safety, hazards, and best practices. Key hazards in oil refineries include flammable and combustible materials such as hydrocarbons, which pose explosion and fire risks. Toxic substances like hydrogen sulfide, benzene, and sulfur dioxide can cause poisoning, respiratory damage, or cancer. High-pressure systems present risks as leaks or failures in pipelines or reactors can lead to catastrophic releases. Extreme temperatures in furnaces, distillation units, and cooling systems expose workers to burns or frostbite. Confined spaces in tanks, vessels, and pipelines risk asphyxiation, entrapment, or toxic atmospheres. Mechanical hazards from heavy machinery, rotating equipment, and falling objects are also significant concerns. Critical safety protocols include process safety management, which is mandatory for U.S. refineries under the OSHA PSM standard. This focuses on hazard analysis, emergency shutdown systems, mechanical integrity of equipment, employee training, and incident investigation. Fire and explosion prevention measures involve installing flame arresters on vents and tanks to prevent ignition, utilizing gas detection systems with fixed and portable sensors for hydrogen sulfide and lower explosive limits, and requiring hot work permits for welding or cutting near flammable zones. Personal protective equipment is essential, including flame-resistant clothing, self-contained breathing apparatus for toxic gas exposure, safety glasses with anti-fog and chemical-resistant lenses, steel-toe boots that are puncture-proof and slip-resistant, and wearable multi-gas monitors. Emergency preparedness includes having evacuation plans with clearly marked exits and muster points, firefighting systems such as foam deluge systems and sprinklers, spill containment measures like bunds and absorbent materials, and regular emergency drills for fires, gas leaks, and shelter-in-place scenarios. Environmental and regulatory compliance is governed by EPA regulations, including the Clean Air Act, which limits emissions of volatile organic compounds, and SPCC plans for oil spill prevention. API standards provide recommended practices for refinery safety and inspection protocols. Case studies highlight lessons learned from incidents such as the Texas City Refinery Explosion in 2005, caused by poor maintenance and inadequate process safety management, resulting in 15 deaths and 180 injuries, leading to stricter OSHA enforcement. The Philadelphia Energy Solutions explosion in 2019 was due to corroded piping releasing hydrofluoric acid, resulting in refinery closure and significant fines. Emerging technologies are transforming refinery safety, including digital twins for real-time monitoring, AI-powered predictive maintenance to identify equipment failures, drones for inspecting flare stacks and pipelines, and AR/VR training for simulating emergency scenarios. Worker training programs are crucial, including HAZWOPER training for handling hazardous waste, lockout-tagout procedures for safely de-energizing equipment during maintenance, and specialized training for hydrogen sulfide exposure risks. Final recommendations for employers include investing in process safety management software, automating high-risk tasks, and fostering a safety-first culture. For workers, it is vital to never bypass safety protocols, report hazards immediately, and understand that oil refinery safety is a shared responsibility. Compliance saves lives and prevents environmental disasters.